Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dream and today we are going to transform this men's t-shirt into a dress. So let's begin. So today we are going to transform this t-shirt. Remove both the sleeves from the t-shirt and save it for later. And also don't forget to open up the hem from the bottom. With the help of a seam ripper, open up the sleeves. With the help of a body-fitting dress, mark the sides and pin it together. You will be left with something like this. Try it on and make sure it perfectly fits your body. Once you are happy with the fitting, close it with a straight stitch and cut out the extra part. For the bottom frill design, you will need a net fabric matching to your dress. I have decided to keep the width of my frill 6 inches and the length will be double the size of your dress. Place the net fabric on the bottom of your dress like so. Start making pleats accordingly and pin it along. Make sure all the pleats are facing the same direction. Once you have completed pleating, attach it to your dress with a straight stitch. This step is really optional, but if you have such designs on your t-shirt, remove this part from it and reuse it as the border of your sleeves. Or you can just simply create it by cutting out a 1-inch rectangle. Place it on the ends of your sleeves and attach it by top stitching it down on both the sleeves. And you're done! Here is the final transformation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY fashion transformation. If you try any of my transformation, please do tag me. I would love to see it. Here are my social media accounts if you like to check. And until next time, dream!